Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your hard drive to a new PC with Acronis Cyber Protect, full guide step by step clearly. First, download and install Acronis Cyber Protect on both your old and new PCs. Launch Acronis Cyber Protect on your old PC. In the main interface, locate the backup option. Select Disk and Partition Backup. Choose the source hard drive you want to transfer. Next, select a destination for the backup file. This can be an external drive or a network location. Once you have chosen the destination, click Backup Now. Wait for the backup process to complete. Once finished, disconnect the external drive if you used one. Now, connect the external drive to your new PC. Launch Acronis Cyber Protect on your new PC. Select the recovery option from the main interface. Choose Recovery of Disk or Partition. Select the backup file you created earlier. Click Next to proceed. Acronis will display the source and target disks. Ensure you select the correct target disk for the recovery. Click Recover. Wait for the recovery process to finish. Once completed, restart your new PC. Your system should boot from the transferred hard drive. Verify that all files and programs are accessible. If everything is working correctly, you're done. Enjoy your new PC with all your old files intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.